Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Orient Electric Chef Special 1200 mixer grinder. The model number for this particular mixer grinder is MGC-S120G3. This particular mixer grinder comes with longer motor life and copper motor, super fine grinding, nickel coated stainless steel blades, better aesthetic looks, comes with a plastic ABS body. It has 5 years of warranty on the motor and 2 years on the product, and this is what the mixer grinder set looks like. It comes with 3 jars, as you can see, and this is the main 1200 watt unit. If you have any extra information over here, it says longer motor life. More or less the same information as the front of the box, and that's all the information you have here. I will open this and show you what's inside. So these are the components of the box. Let's quickly take a look what's here. This is the user manual for the Orient Electric mixer grinder. This is for the Chef Special 1200 Bolt Super. Basically a lot of their series of mixer grinders. This particular user manual caters to almost all of them. This comes with a lot of instructionals, safety information, operating instructions, and also a warranty card right away. It's an important document. This is a chutney grinding jar. This is a very small stainless steel jar, as you can see. This is food grade stainless steel as well, and there is a blade attachment inside. This is basically for making and grinding all kind of pickles and chutneys, etc. I'm going to leave this here. This is the main unit, a 1200 watt main unit. It's quite a bit of weight. It's around 2 kilos in weight. Comes with this grey and black color combination and a piano shine all over. It's a very classy and elegant looking mixer grinder. It has a heavy base as well. Underneath you will notice there are 4 rubber suction feet. This is to ensure that when you put it on a flat surface, there is a lot of balance and it doesn't move much. Yeah, there you see the suction feet are working right now. You have to exert a little bit of pressure to get it off the flat surface. Not just that, there is a dial at the front. If you go clockwise, you will find the speed settings. There are 3 speed settings, and if you go counterclockwise, this is basically your pulse setting, which means that this is basically manual control. Finally, you also have a at least 2 meter long thick PVC power cable, as you can see, with a 3-pin socket on one end. Moving on, let's see what's in this box. I'm assuming the other jars. Jar lid, another jar lid, a third jar lid, and here are the other 2 jars and some extra stuff as well. So this is a wet grinding jar. This is also made out of food grade stainless steel material, and notice the titanium laced blade attachment at the bottom over here. And once again, this is a wet grinding jar, and this is the lid for this wet grinding jar. This is a borosilicate lid. It comes with this clamp down locks as well. This also comes with these clamps on the side, which make sure that this particular jar is securely fit. Let me just do that. That's 1. No. That's 2, and that's number 3. It's fit in securely. Same with this one. This is the dry grinding jar. This is slightly smaller than the wet grinding jar. It also comes with this borosilicate lid with clamps, with 3 clamps. So I will put this on as well. That's 1, that's 2, and that's 3. And this smaller lid is for the chutney grinding jar, as you can see. I will just put this in. This does not have any clamps, but this does comes with rubber suction. This will make sure that this jar is airtight when you're using it. We also have this plastic spatula. This is for cleaning the jars once you're done grinding or blending. I will do a test run with this mixer grinder. What I'm going to do is I will connect this this power cable rather, to a power source, and I will give it a whirl. Let's just try that. Okay, I've fixed it to a power source. Now I will attach this particular wet grinding jar to the main unit, like that. There you go. It should be securely fit right now. I'm going to turn this counterclockwise, the manual control basically. Let's see if this works. But that works absolutely fine. You can see the blade from here. I will try to show it to you. There you go. So that was manual control. Let me just try the speed settings. So let's go 1 and 1, 2, 3. And that's it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Orient Electric Chef Special 1200 mixer grinder. Thank you for watching.